Okay, so I wanted to show you something here on my Monster. The clutch went out, won't engage in a gear, it's not working. So the first thing I do is to look into the master cylinder itself and see if I can spot anything that might be the cylinder itself and not something down here, you know, at the slave or with the springs on the other side or anything. So the easiest thing is just pop open the cap, slowly press the lever and see if there's any activity going on down here. Normally in a good master cylinder you'd see a little squirt of fluid pop out of there when you push the bar quickly, but that's not happening. So that tells me that I've got some bad seals, or this piston's just busted. You know, it's a 5-year-old master cylinder. So that's right now my instinct of what could be happening here. So I'm going to take this thing apart. We're going to put in a spare master cylinder that I got online and see if that fixes it. Okay, so next step is to bleed all this fluid out of the clutch master cylinder. I've got my Mighty back here, which is what I recommend for these types of jobs. I do not recommend any type of hand pumps or any other techniques. This is the way to go. So let's get this fluid out of here. And now we're going to bleed from the bottom. Just empty this whole circuit so that I can replace the master cylinder. Okay, so we are bleeding at the slave. Get this all dried up. Okay, we've got the new master cylinder on here. I bled the system, and I wanted to show you now what happens with the lever. See that little ripple there? So now we're getting some actual movement there going on with the piston, and it's pushing that fluid now. And the other thing you can't tell is that the bar will only go this far before it just pushes back. Before I could get it all the way to the handlebar. So I believe the problem is fixed. Oh, did you see that jump out? There we go. Yeah. So problem solved. Hey, did I get some on you, boy? Did I get some fluid on you, buddy? Sorry about that, boy. We'll get you cleaned up. Thanks for watching.